What's up, everyone? We're currently on our way up the hill. There's a winter storm warning. In this video, we're going to be camping in it. So if that's your type of thing, stay tuned. All right, we just made it to the snow. We're both about to air down. I'm going to do a montage of us driving through snow, and then we're going to find a spot to camp and go from there. All right, our first recovery. We had to go over a log and it was super slippery. I think he's just high centered on it. I think I completely forgot my shackle. That worked pretty well. Easy. All right, now that we're unstuck, we're gonna continue on. First, there's one more log. This log is a little bigger, so we'll see how we do. Got another down tree, which does not look bad on camera, but kind of steep in person. Come on, man! That's too easy! All right, it's coming down pretty good right now, which is a vibe. We are still looking for a spot to camp and cook dinner and all that, so I guess the only thing we could do is continue forward. Sheesh. All right, we just made it back to the spot that we're gonna camp at tonight. It's pretty deep snow right here, so we're gonna use our cars to pack down all the snow. That way we have a nice camping area and it's gonna be a vibe. We'll make a fire pit. Let's just get started. All right, now that the snow is all packed down, as you can see, we can start setting up camp and start on dinner. So let's get to it. just finished dinner and it is dumping snow. Actually, it was dumping more earlier, but still coming down pretty good. I'm about to go to bed and we're gonna hit the trail in the morning. Good night. I just woke up, about to make some breakfast, take down camp, and we're gonna continue on. Just took down camp, eating some breakfast, drinking some coffee, and then we're gonna hit the trail. It is a nice day out today. We made it to the spot that we were at last night where the tracks end and we get to actually make our own tracks. Sending up the drone and we should get some cool shots of us going through the snow. So stay tuned. Now it's my turn to try to break new trail. I DB'd it. If you can see that.
Keep going. Whoop. I got down low. It's going up to 15. Oh, easy peasy. Because it was still pinched on the rim.
All right, we just got the bead back on. Really wasn't that hard. I just dug a little hole to high center myself so my wheel would be in the air a little bit and then aired it up, wiggled it back and forth, and it was pretty easy. So now that's taken care of, we are gonna continue on. Headed back down the hill, and just like that the snow is gone and we are headed home. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos because I'm going to be posting a lot more. Okay, bye.